Hi, I'm Amy Tangerine. I'm a designer, mama, multi-passionate creator, and firm believer that crafting a life you love is essential to well-being and happiness. My mission is to inspire you to find joy and confidence through creativity. Today, I'll be showing you how you can use journaling to record your memories and remind you of the good things in life. I like to use journaling to document my kids, my daily doings, our travels, our day-to-day life in Los Angeles. We're going to start our new journals with the help of some of my favorite Avery products like binders, planner stickers, ultra-fine markers, ultra tabs, and more. Hopefully I can inspire you to live joyfully and fully in the moment. Cherish the things that matter, and remember, the only rule is to be open-minded and to have fun. Journaling is pretty much just writing your thoughts on paper. It's a great way of reflecting on things that have happened, creating new ideas, or recording your memories. There's no right or wrong way to do it. To get started, you need something to write with, like Avery ultrafine markers, and something to write on, such as a notebook, journal, or even loose sheets of paper. You may also want to have some old photos and decorations like washi tape and Avery planner stickers nearby to help bring some color to the pages. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the mini binder from the new collection that I had designed for Avery to organize your journal. We'll use a piece of paper for each spread and organize them in the binder when we're done. When starting on the inside of your journal, you can write in it, sketch, color, add some paints, add stickers and ultra tabs, and even glue pictures inside. The best part about a blank journal is that you can make it whatever you want it to be. Simply let your ideas flow onto the page. I'm going to walk you through how I typically start a journal spread. Let's get started. As a base, if you'd like, you can grab a paintbrush and some watercolors. You'll also need a jar of water to dip your paintbrush in. And you can go to town on the background. Sometimes it's nice to have a base foundation by just making some marks with some paints. You can choose any colors that you'd like and let the creativity flow. This is of course optional. If you don't want to do any of this, you can make it your own with the supplies that you have. Use colors that make you feel bright and optimistic. Because I'm going to do a spread across 2 pages, I'll go ahead and make marks along both of them. Once you have a good base going, you can go through some little bits and pieces that you want to add while the paper is drying. By arranging the items that you have, you can start developing a feel for how you want to lay out your journaling spread. You'll want to wait until your page is completely dry before gluing anything down. Here's another opportunity to take your stickers and look through the ones that you'd like to use. If you're going to stick a sticker onto your page, just make sure the area is dry. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this, so whatever makes you feel happy. Make time for yourself. I love that. You can also layer stickers if you feel like it. The circles right here with the OMG and the little heart go really nicely together. Positive thoughts, it's always a nice thing to keep in mind. And because there's a little bit of blue on this side and I don't have any blue over here, I'm going to pull the same tone to make it feel a little bit more cohesive. Now that the paper is just about dry, I can go ahead and grab a glue stick and add it to the back of the little bits. You can make adjustments as you see fit. I think this one looks better over the sticker. And now, if you want to make some marks with your ultrafine markers, you can grab some of your favorite colors. And set up some lines for journaling if you'd like. And because I have lines on this side, I want to emulate them on this side as well. You can take a larger pen to make a heading if you'd like, while you're thinking about your journaling. Now for the writing, you can make it as personal or as general as you'd like. It's all up to you. Ultrafine markers are perfect because they come in a variety of colors and are great for handwriting. You can also make lists instead of writing a lot of blocks of text. As I'm looking at this, I actually sort of like it maybe switched, flipped over, and then I'm going to add some marks here. Let's see how it goes. You can draw hearts, little plus signs, little triangles, any kind of doodles that make you happy. Add your own personal touch to the page. And don't overthink it. It actually works both ways. Once the pages are complete, you can slide them into Avery's mini sheet protectors and add it to your binder. Let's do that now. And here's a pro tip. I like to use Avery Ultra Tabs to mark my page or bookmark spreads for later. They're removable and repositionable, so they won't cause any damage to your creations. You can journal however often feels good to you, whether it's every single day or just once in a while. Journaling can help you look at your life in a different way. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon.